So you believe that there is a genetic mutation that only affects Igbo.
This is the light-skin phenotype of the West African forest belt, historically noted in anthropological literature as the Xanthus guineacid. It is concentrated deeply within the equatorial forest belt across West Africa, presenting most frequently among the Igbo and related regional populations. From the front, the facial skeleton is uroprosopic, presenting a structurally short and wide architecture. The nasal profile is strictly platyrrhine to hyperplatyrrhine, marked by a low nasal root that descends into a flared base. Soft tissue pigmentation is characterized by medium brown skin tones, sometimes lighter. Terminal hair growth is notably significant, accompanied by unusually strong facial and body hair development. On rare occasions, this terminal hair presents in lighter shades, with expressions of rufous or reddish tones, alongside hazel or light brown irises. These variations are largely driven by rufous oculocutaneous albinism, or OCA3. Unlike standard albinism, which halts all pigment production and causes severe visual defects, OCA3 specifically aborts the synthesis of dark eumelanin, leaving the red and yellow pheomelanin pathways completely intact. Evolutionarily, this phenotype may have stabilized through relaxed selection. The dense rainforest canopy blocks up to 90% of incoming ultraviolet radiation, weakening the environmental pressure requiring very dark skin. In profile, the back of the skull is notably flat and lacks outward projection. The brow ridges frequently overhang the orbits, creating a visually deep-set eye region. The postcranial build is classically documented as short to medium in stature. Skeletal proportions feature a relatively long torso, supported by a thick cervical region, which produces a short, thick neck, a trait particularly noted in males. The lower limbs are notably shortened, giving the overall build a compact appearance. That is the Xanthus phenotype